Iawo, Kadochikok, Ku Deporte.
Gemeente de Eindhoven está pensando entregar um claim de 1,5 milhão de euros contra a FIFA. Essa aqui está a placa que a gemeente Eindhoven ainda tem bet para Holanda e Bélgica por a Mundial 2018. Atualmente está estudando a possibilidade para por lograr a placa back de FIFA via de claim. Uau! E muitos de idade de 5 para 7 anos têm interesse para ser golf.
Mirando golf na televisão, está entusiasmado muito na paciência deporte de golf. Último tempo, por mirar mais e mais muita de idade entre 5 e 7 anos, está chega a tirar do sol para seguir les de golf. E pouco a pouco, está sendo mais de deporte. Importante está que é muito divertir, isso é primordial.
The kids are having a lot of fun, I've noticed, and really enjoying the game. Anything where they can be outside, running around, staying active is always a positive thing for them.
Still asking questions?
Oh, absolutely. As they go along, they ask more questions because they start an understanding of what they're doing. Before, it's a little bit new to them, so they probably don't know what to ask. But now they're asking questions, related to different clubs and the purposes of them. So it's nice to see that they're kind of catching up.
Asking for what they're using the tee?
Well, yeah, a lot of them, they want to go to the drive range, hit the driver. I had one kid saying today, I'm going to work on my rescue club. So the fact that they know the difference between each club and their understanding it is really nice. And you can see they have a lot of fun and like to run around.
You enjoy it with them then?
Yes, absolutely. Every week there's something new with them, new story that happened during the week of school. And, it's always interesting what these kids say. But, the fact that they're learning something new, learning a little bit of golf and having fun here at Terrell Soul is a great thing for us.
Yeah, that's the best part of it. So they're having fun. The parents come and see them enjoying it.
Before they were sitting down very nicely. It must be because the cameras are here or something like that. But, they're very well behaved. They have a lot of energy, which is good, like I said, and just a good group of kids.
Mucha nang nota siya golf so, pero tura noche, tamira notícia o noche.
Ambita Jerry Howell pa ATV de Canal 5.
Notícia ao noite.